All right, today take a look at the DeWalt 8-inch bench grinder. Instruction, a bunch of guard parts. Shield, more guard parts. You can see that we got the wheels already attached. They look to be running fairly smooth. This one's got a little bit of wobble, but let's see if that actually translates into a vibration. Let's see what we got. That is actually pretty clean. All right, great. So according to the instructions, the two guards, they screw on right here and right here. So we got one of these plates, and these are nice and thick. We got a couple bolts, couple washers, and then this guard sits on top of it. If you had a key or something like that, you could rest it on here, and then you could just work it side to side. You wouldn't have to worry about it trying to rip down and take off on you. Those things are great. Make sure you set them up correctly. We're not going to need it for this particular build because I'm going to be using this to replace a weaker grinder for a Rubberhog. So this is going to sit on top of our lathe, and it's going to rip the rubber off of a rubber roller. And the reason we're upgrading to this one is because it is a 4.2 amp, and the one that we had is a 3 amp, and trying to do this procedure with too weak of a grinder actually bogs down the grinder. Like, you'll hear it spin down as it's going. So we needed to upgrade to a bigger grinder. That's why we got this one, and I'm sure that's going to work no problem. There is also this clear guard, so you can put that. There's another piece that goes on here, and you attach this to it, so that you don't have to worry about sparks coming back and hitting you. So definitely attach that if you care about your eyes. And you can see we got our coarser wheel here on the right and our finer wheel on the left. So depending on what you're working with, you need to cut real quick, use this one. If you want to make a better finish, use this one. So that cuts super quick, and this is key stock, 5/16 key stock, so I mean it just eats it right up. Yep, great little grinder. And I did see in this bag they got these little thumb screws right here, so if you need to adjust those guards, get the angle just right, you can do that without tools. So I like that a lot. There it is. So it's not a regular grinding wheel, that is a Rubberhog, but put on here works just fine.